Alright guys, so what I have here is the RCA portable washing machine, and it's actually hooked up to my bathroom sink here. I always make sure this is turned off. It comes, some water might come out of there, I just did a load. It comes with this little clip thingy, and also it comes with this knob to attach to your faucet. Very simple. Just pull it down and it's good to go. Turn your water on and wash your set. So what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to do a load so you guys can see this has been a great investment for my family, especially living in an apartment. So all I have to do is worry about dry, and that's it. So the drain hose come down here, and I just put it in the tub. What I normally do is put a towel or something over it because we did have a scare. Water got all over the place, but that's a whole nother story. Let's go ahead and get started. So we press this on button. You may have different modes, as you can see: soak, wash, rinse, spin. They have delay, large, medium, small. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just gonna do a quick load because it's not that much close, so you don't really need to do it too long. Close this up because that is the only way it will start. Oh, I turned it off. Alright, so let's go back to here. Quick, cold. Make sure all three are set and hit play. Alright, and as you can see, the water is filling up in the wash. And it's a pretty deep washer, so I'll be back once the water is like halfway full. Alright guys, so it is almost filled up. As you can see, it does make that loud beep noise, and the water does stop when you lift it up. So what I'm going to do is my kids' clothes. I want to show all their clothes and to show you how much can be filled up into this thing. So one moment, let me just go ahead and add my soap and my fabric softener, and then we'll get right back. Alright, so now I got my soap and fabric softener in there. What I use is just like a cup and a half, and then 1 cup of the fabric softener. Go ahead, and we got some pants here, shirts. I literally can wash all of their clothes in here, and this is how deep it goes in. And that's like a good amount of clothes already. This is a basket full, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. It's already did a load. In there, like so. And I still have room, as you can see. So that is all of their clothes. Still decent amount of room in the washer machine, but that's why I filled it up to about. I'm just gonna go ahead and close it. This does go down by itself, so it doesn't slam. So that's nice. And then all you do is go back and hit play, and it'll finish filling up. So I'll show you guys how it looks after it's done washing, rinsing, and spinning, so you see just how dry it gets. So there it goes. A little bit of bubbles in there. That's how I like it. Yes, get it nice and clean. And it's like a legit washing machine. It gets the job done. No complaints here. And still a lot of room to move around, so just try your best not to overfill it. And I'll be back when it spins. Alright guys, so the clothes are finished, and as you can see, it spun them out really good. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in this basket. This is a 35 liter trying to focus. 35-liter basket. This is how big it looks. Pretty decent sized basket. Just gonna go ahead and load clothes in there. And I wash towels, jeans, all of it. And they're technically dry. So I can put them out and let them dry in the house if I want to. I don't necessarily have to dry them. But just to give you an idea, this is the basket filled up. So you can get a good amount of clothes in the washer. This is how it looks, the overview of the washer. And just for your purposes, it does come with the lid, so it catches the lid. So that's something I won't be draining in the tub. So yeah, this is the RCA washing machine, and I think this is a 2 cubic feet, whatever. I'll link it down below. All right, bye. Deuces.